Good morning, boys and girls. For writing, we're going to start using our sight words that you've been practicing during word work. So today we're going to start by reviewing the ones that we learned at the beginning of the year so that way we don't forget them. And one of the first ones that we learned was the word I. The word I is really important because we see it all the time and because we like to write about ourselves, right? But also the word I is one of the easy words because it's just the letter what? You're so right. It's just the letter I. But there's one thing that's special about the word I. The word I is always a capital I. We never write the word I as a lowercase I. It's always capital. So we always do a straight line down, a little line across the top and the bottom. Another word that we learned in the beginning of the year that's important because we see it all the time is the word see. And the word see, S-E-E. This is how we're going to start our writing today. You're going to write I see, but then you're going to draw a picture and try to sound out what your picture is. What do you see? Right now, I'm at home and not at school, so I'm looking on my kitchen counter, and I see a bowl of Willow. Something fell and it scared Willow. I see a bowl of fruit. So I'm going to write I see fruit. And I'm just going to sound fruit out and write down the letters that I hear. Oot. What says oot? I'm going to say I hear the T. Fruit. But my sentence is missing something. What is my sentence missing? My sentence is missing a period. We always start our sentence with a capital word or a capital letter and a period. Okay? I see fruit. And remember that we're adding details. My fruit bowl is not just floating. It is sitting on my counter. And then this is the floor that keeps going. I see fruit sitting on my counter. Okay? All right, friends. On your paper, you're going to write, I see. I'm going to erase this because here's where you're going to write what you see. You're going to write, I see. And then what do you see? Happy writing, friends.